This street looks normal. No noise, no smoke, no drama. But something here has already changed. Americans aren't switching to electric cars because they're trendy. They're switching because, logically, gas cars are starting to make less sense. And most people don't even realize the shift is already happening. Every American driver knows this moment. Standing at a gas pump, watching the numbers climb, again, gas prices go up, maintenance costs go up, and every year owning a gas car quietly becomes more expensive. Engines are complex, thousands of moving parts, oil changes, belts, filters, repairs you don't plan for. Now compare that to an electric motor. Simple, clean, far fewer parts that can break. This isn't about saving the planet. For most Americans, it's about saving time and money. At home, these costs show up differently. Families talk about repairs, unexpected bills, time wasted at service centers. Then there's the quiet alternative, charging at home, overnight, while you sleep. No gas station, no oil change, no surprise engine problems. That's when the question changes from why switch to why not. Tesla didn't win Americans over with advertising. It won them over with experience. Silent acceleration, minimal interiors, software that updates while you're asleep. For many owners, the moment they realize the difference is simple, they stop thinking about their car altogether. No engine noise, no vibration, just movement. That's not luxury, that's efficiency. The biggest fear Americans have about EVs is charging. But here's the reality. Most charging happens at home. Not on highways, not at stations. At night, public chargers fill the gaps. Grocery stores, offices, highways. Charging isn't replacing gas stations. It's replacing inconvenience. The car adapts to your life, not the other way around. People think electric cars are fragile, that batteries fail easily, that winter destroys performance. But modern EV batteries are protected, tested, engineered for real conditions. The fear usually comes from old information, not current reality. Now something interesting is happening. Used electric cars are entering the market. Lower prices, lower running costs. Suddenly, EVs aren't just for early adopters. They're for practical buyers. The kind of buyers who care about numbers, not hype. This shift fits the American mindset perfectly. Freedom, efficiency, control, charging at home, driving quietly, spending less time worrying about your car. Electric cars don't change how Americans drive. They simplify it. This isn't a revolution you'll see on billboards. It's happening silently, in garages, on quiet streets, on long highways. Americans aren't switching to electric cars because they're told to. They're switching because, logically, it just makes sense. And once they do, most never go back.